Discovering confidence, what it really means. Confidence is like a secret power that can make a big difference in our lives. It affects how we act, decide things, and feel about ourselves. In this video, we'll dig into what confidence is, break it down into parts, and see why it's so important for our personal and professional growth. Understanding confidence. Confidence is feeling sure about yourself and what you can do. It's not about being perfect, but about believing in your abilities and thinking positively. It's a quality that helps us face challenges with courage and optimism. Parts of confidence. Confidence is made up of different things that work together. Believing in yourself. Confidence comes from thinking you can do things. It's about trusting your own abilities and understanding your value. People with confidence are not afraid to try new things because they believe in themselves. Feeling good about yourself. Having confidence means feeling good about who you are. It's about liking yourself and being okay with your strengths and weaknesses. When you have a positive view of yourself, it helps you deal with life's ups and downs. Knowing how to do things. Being good at something boosts confidence. When you learn new skills and get better at them, it makes you feel confident. Confidence and competence, being good at something, often go hand in hand. Bouncing back from tough times. Confident people can handle tough situations. They don't let failures bring them down. Instead, they learn from mistakes, adapt to changes, and keep going. Why confidence matters. Confidence is like a superpower because it helps in many areas of life. Doing well in your job. In the working world, confidence is a key to moving up the career ladder. Confident people are more likely to take on challenges, take risks, and do well in leadership roles. Building good relationships. Confidence makes it easier to talk to others and make friends. It helps you express yourself and connect with people, building strong relationships. Feeling happy inside. Confidence is linked to feeling good emotionally. People with confidence often have less stress and worry, contributing to better mental health. Making decisions. Confident people can make decisions more easily. They trust their own judgment, which helps them solve problems and make choices with confidence. Confidence is not a magical thing. It's something we can all develop. It's a journey of getting to know ourselves better, learning from experiences, and growing as individuals. By understanding what confidence is made of and why it's important, we can start working on building this amazing quality to reach our full potential in different parts of our lives.